Hey guys, welcome back. My name is JC. I am the owner creator here at Mother-esque Bath & Body LLC. And in today's video, I'm going to be creating some loofah, melt and pour, glycerin soaps, whatever you want to call them. And this particular one I'm doing right here is cucumber melon. So I am just going to get my soap batter. Oops. Okay. Perfect. That is literally absolutely perfect. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just separating out two different basically batches because I want this soap to be two colors. So my first one, I'm using Mango Tango. Makeups from Nurture Soap. Whoop. That was just a little bit much, but and I don't want this to be super dark. I want it to be on the lighter side. It's currently Easter morning. My kiddos are with their dad. So it's just me here. I was gonna go for a walk, but I decided to make up the soap. Oh my gosh, the cat. She heard me. Okay, so I just poured in my cucumber melon fragrance, and I don't know if you guys have smelled this before, but it is absolutely delicious, and I never would have thought that I'd be a cucumber melon fan, but I love that stuff. So I'm just going to stir this in. I basically just wanted this color to kind of be reminiscent of obviously a melon such as a cantaloupe. And I wanted a little muted. I probably could add a little bit more color. Okay, so there's one of my colors. Now I don't want to add this to my containers quite yet because I'm going to get the other one ready and I'm going to pour these at the same time. And then I will be putting in my loofahs. And then I'll pour some on top of it. But it needs to, before I put the loofahs on there, I actually really do have to get it cooled down so that my loofahs don't float to the top. Trust me, this happens. Alright, let me get the other one ready. Okay, you do kind of have to work a little bit fast. This one's already trying to chunk up a little bit. My Enchantment. Enchantment is the other color I'm going to be using for my green. And again, I want these a little bit muted, so I'm not going to add a ton of color. So I initially heat that up on the stove like I was saying, and then if this, like you can see, this one is starting to get, it's cooling down quite a bit. I can still use it, but if I have to pop it in the microwave for a couple seconds, I will. This one might have to go in there. It's not a huge deal. I rarely ever use a microwave when I'm soaping, but in some instances you do have to. So in all my body butters and stuff, I will never use a microwave because I believe that isn't ideal for what I want to put on my skin and what I'm creating in my skincare line as far as the oils and organic properties. You know, that's not something I want to waste by putting it in a microwave. And everybody has their own beliefs about microwaves. This is not pointing fingers at anybody. But for me, I believe in the double boil system for that. Glycerin soap is just a little bit different. And it's only for, obviously, like I said, a couple seconds, so, because this stuff does cool down pretty quick. Alright, I apologize guys. My phone shut off and I didn't even realize it, and I was talking away and doing my thing, and then I realized. So, I got these poured. Basically I put in half, mixing these, and then I put these down and let them adhere to the soap so that it wouldn't float up. And basically I just kind of did this. You don't have to be super peculiar about how you do this. Just want a little bit of a design in there. Oops. That will be interesting. Just kind of want to make them a little bit pretty. And the loofah gets covered up in here, but it's obviously it shows once you start using your soap. Anyway, I was just saying in my previous clip that did not record that if there's anything you guys want to know, just make a comment below and I will try to answer that as soon as I see it. I got these particular loofahs from Two Wild Hairs. You can find her on Etsy. I'll link her below. I've shopped with her for quite a while also, and I love her. I love her products. I love her service. She's really quick, so check her out for sure if you're looking to do this kind of thing yourself. You can see how the design just kind of happens. Now before I get too much further, I'm going to come back over here and spray these with 91% isopropyl alcohol. Just to get the air bubbles out. Some of these I might have missed the opportunity. It's not that big a deal if I don't get them. Like some of these little bumps on here, I'm going to use a planer and I'm going to even these out, so it'll take that off. But I do like to get the air bubbles out if I can. And I don't think I'm going to have enough of this soap to get everything covered. Alright, I think I'm going to use a little bit more of the Mango Tango color because I have more of it, so it'll just be a little add-on color. I am going to have to go melt some more. So I think that I'll do that off camera though. I just finish this up and I'll be back when these are all set up because, oops, it's not even going to come out now. So I'm just going to add a little bit more to each one and then I'll go melt a teeny bit more and finish this up. Alright, I'll be back. I'm back. So I am just going to unmold these. Okay. This is a plainer stainless steel. You can only out these little knobs. They'll fit at the edge of your table. It holds it sturdy. So I'll just take this and you're just going to run it. So I'd have to do it a couple more times, but I think instead what I'm going to do is just fill that in. I don't want to get this too small. Do this one. And actually what I'm going to do is wait until these are set up a little bit better. You don't want to do it too early and then put indents on your soaps. You want these good and hard. Alright, and here they are. I am going to be wrapping these in shrink wrap and then label them. I'm going to let them set up a little bit longer, but this is my process on how I do my Luffa soaps. If you like this content, if you enjoy seeing it and like to see more, please like, subscribe, comment, share. I appreciate all your support. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a good day.